Okay, a very good afternoon to all the members, devotees. I just humbly ask of you, if you know the song, please join in with me and clap. Let's have a good vibe. I'll try as much to do my share. You all must try and do your share, okay? Thank you. Vanamale Vasudeva Manamogane Radha Ramana Vanamale Vasudeva Manamogane Radha Ramana Sasivadana Sadasivasayana Jaganmogana Radha Ramana Vanamale Vasudeva Manamogana Radha Ramana Sasivadana Sadasivasayana Jaganmogana Radha Ramana Vanamale Vasudeva Jaganmodana Radha Ramana Sasivadana Sadasivasayana Jaganmodana Radha Ramana Vanamale Vasudeva Manamogana Radha Ramana Sasivadana Sadasivasayana Jaganmodana Radha Ramana Paatadalli Palli Konda Parandama Radha Ramana Govinda Nama Sankirtanam Govinda Govinda Narahari Deva Janatana பஞ்சுஜனத திரிபுராயக சாயக பந்துஜனக திரிபுராயக சாயக சீதநாயக ஸ்ரீ ரகுராம சுந்தரி ஸ்ரீதரி மந்திரோகர் மகுட பூஜன திரிபுகா ஜகரன் சுந்தரி ஸ்ரீதர் மந்திரோகர் மகுட பூஜன திரிபுகா ஜகரன் நந்தநந்தன நந்த முகுந்த பிருந்தாவன விஹாரி மோகந்த ராம 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 ஸ்ரீ ரகு ராம 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 ஸ்ரீ ரகு ராம 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 நரஹரி தேவ ஜனார்தன கேசவ நாராயண கனகாம்பரதாரி கேசவ நாராயண கனகாம்பரதாரி ராம 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 ஸ்ரீ ரகு ராம 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 ஸ்ரீ ரகு ராம 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 ஸ்ரீ ரகு ராம Okay, this is an easy song, and I want you all to all join me. नारायण नारायण जय जय गोविंद रे ओम नारायण नारायण जय जय गोपाल रे पाडुंगो नारायण नारायण जय जय गोविंद रे ओम नारायण नारायण जय जय गोपाल रे ओम नारायण नारायण जय जय गोविंद रे ओम नारायण नारायण जय जय गोपाल रे ओम नारायण नारायण जय जय गोविंद रे ओम नारायण தேனிருக்கும் இடத்தில் பால் இருக்க வேண்டும். திருப்பதி மலை வாழ்வும் வெங்கடேஸ்வரா தேவ நான் இருக்கும் இடத்தில் நீ இருக்க வேண்டும். நாராயணா முரளிதரா நாராயணா முரளிதரா தேனிருக்கும் இடத்தில் பால் இருக்க வேண்டும். திருப்பதி வெங்கடேஸ்வரா தேவா நான் இருக்கும் இடத்தில் நீ இருக்க வேண்டும். நாராயணா முரளிதரா நாராயணா முரளிதரா ஹரி கோவிந்தா 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 வானிருக்கும் இடத்தில் நிலவாய் வளர்ந்தாலும் வானிருக்கும் இடத்தில் நிலவாய் வளர்ந்தாலும் வற்றாத ஜீவ மடியாய் தவத்தாலும் வற்றாத ஜீவ நடியாய் தவத்தாலும் மாணிக்கவிலேயும் மலையேறும் மலைவாசா மாணிக்கவிலேயும் மலையேறும் மலைவாசா மங்கை அலைமேவும் மகிரும் உல்லாசா மங்கை அலைமேவும் மகிரும் உல்லாசா தேனிருக்கும் இடத்தில் பாலிருக்க ನೀಲಮೇಘ ಶ್ಯಾಮಲ ರೂಪ ಗೋಪಾಲ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಸ್ವರೂಪ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಗೋಪಾಲ ನೀಲಮೇಘ ಶ್ಯಾಮಲ ರೂಪ ಗೋವಿಂದ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಸ್ವರೂಪ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಗೋಪಾಲ ನೀಲಮೇಘ ಶ್ಯಾಮಲ ರೂಪ ಗೋಪಾಲ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಸ್ವರೂಪ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಗೋಪಾಲ ದೇವ ದೇವ ದೇವಕಿ ಬಾಲ ಗೋಪಾಲ ದೇವ ದೇವ ದೇವಕಿ ಬಾಲ ಗೋಪಾಲ ವಾಸುದೇವ ವರಂಜ ಬಾಲ ಗೋಪಾಲ ವಾಸುದೇವ ವರಂಜ ಬಾಲ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಶಂಕರಾಜ ಸೇವಿತ ಶರಣ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಶಂಕರಾಜ ಸೇವಿತ ಶರಣ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಶಂಕರ ಚಕ್ರಧರನ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಶಂಕರ ಚಕ್ರಧರನ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಗೋಪಾಲ ರಾಧೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ರಾಧೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ರಾಧೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ರಾಧೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ರಾಧೆ ರಾಧೆ ಮುರಳಿ ರಸಿಕಾ ಗೋಪಾಲ ರಾಧೆ ರಾಧೆ ಮುರಳಿ ರಸಿಕಾ ಗೋಪಾಲ ದಾಸೆ ನೋಲೆ ರಾಧಿಕಾ ರಮಣ ಗೋಪಾಲ ದಾಸೆ ನೋಲ ರಾಧಿಕಾ ರಮಣ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಭಕ್ತ ಮಂಡಲ ಬಾಲ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಭಕ್ತ ಮಂಡಲ ಬಾಲ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಭಕ್ತ ಮಂಡಲ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಭಕ್ತ ಮಂಡಲ ಬಾಲ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಬೃಂದಾವನ ನಿರಂಜನ ನಿತ್ಯ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಬೃಂದಾವನ ನಿರಂಜನ ಬಾಲ ಗೋಪಾಲ ನೀಲಮೇಘ ಶ್ಯಾಮಲ ರೂಪ ಗೋಪಾಲ ನೀಲಮೇಘ ಶ್ಯಾಮಲ ರೂಪ ಗೋಪಾಲ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಸ್ವರೂಪ ಗೋಪಾಲ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಸ್ವರೂಪ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಗೋಪಾಲ ರಾಧೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಕೃಷ್ಣ 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 ರಾಧೆ ರಾಧೆ ಮುರಳಿ ರಾಧಾ ಗೋಪಾಲ ರಾಧೆ ರಾಧೆ ಮುರಳಿ ರಾಧಾ ಗೋಪಾಲ ದಾಸೆ ನೋಲೆ ರಾಧಿಕಾ ರಮಣ ಗೋಪಾಲ ದಾಸೆ ನೋಲೆ ರಾಧಿಕಾ ರಮಣ ಗೋಪಾಲ ನೀಲಮೇಘ ಶ್ಯಾಮಲ ಗೋಪಾಲ ನೀಲಮೇಘ ಶ್ಯಾಮಲ ರೂಪ ಗೋಪಾಲ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಸ್ವರೂಪ ರಮಣ ಗೋಪಾಲ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಸ್ವರೂಪ ರಮಣ ಗೋಪಾಲ.
Rise and cool the yajnam, and we will hand over back to Ravi Pillai and Sage. And who is Mr. the harmonium player? Who is he, Ravi?
Asandas.
Pere?
His name Paren.
Paren. Paren, welcome. Paren Pillai. Magan, oh, son. Right, let's give them another round of applause, people, and all rise. Vettivel Muruganukku. Is only Krishna here. Vettivel Muruganukku. Meeravel Muruganukku. Kandavel Muruganukku. Vishnu Bhagavanukku. Thirumalai Aandavarukku. Garuda Vagananukku. சினத்தவர் முடிக்கும் பகைத்தவர் குடிக்கும் செகுத்தவ உயர்க்கும் சினமாக அரகரம் சிரிப்பவன் நமக்கும் பறிப்பவர் தமக்கும் திருப்புக நெருப்பென்றும் அறிவோம் யாம் அரகரம் நினைத்ததும் மலிக்கும் பணத்தையும் முழுக்கும் நீதிக்காரு அறுக்கும் பிறவாமல் அரகரம் நெருப்பையும் நெறிக்கும் பொறுப்பையும் இடிக்கும் நீரை புக உரைக்கும் செயல்தார் தினத்தோடு நடக்கும் கொடு சூரர் தினத்தையும் முடத்தான் கரித்த மலை முற்றம் தீதாரில் கொளுத்தோம் கதிரேலாம் தினக்கரி கூறுப்பெண் தனத்தனில் தொகுத்தன் திருத்தானே இருக்கும் பெருமாளே 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 வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு சக்திவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஞானவேல் முருகனுக்கு விஷ்ணு பகவானுக்கு கோவிந்தா ஏழு குண்டல வாடனுக்கு கோவிந்தா திருமலை ஆண்டவருக்கு கோவிந்தா கோவிந்தா கோவிந்தா. Dear devotees, once be seated. Once they gone round with the yajnam to you, then we will go around the temple once. In the meantime, we'll hand over to Ravi Pillai and group.
दशरथ नंदन रामा दया सागर रामा दशरथ नंदन रामा दया सागर रामा दशरथ नंदन रामा दया सागर रामा रघुकुल तिलका रामा सत्य साई सी परंदामा रघुकुल तिलका रामा सत्य साई सी परंदामा नंदन रामा दया सागर रामा दशरथ नंदन रामा दया सागर रामा अवलोकारक रामा ताप विमोचन रामा अवलोकारक रामा ताप विमोचन रामा पलटी पुरी साई रामा सत्य साई सी परंदामा पलटी पुरी साई रामा सत्य साई सी रघुकुल तिलका रामा सत्य साई श्री परंदामा रघुकुल तिलका रामा सत्य साई श्री परंदामा दशरथ नंदन रामा दया सागर रामा दशरथ नंदन रामा கண்டவேல் கண்ட குமாரவேல் கண்டா கண்டவேல் கண்ட குமாரவேல் கண்டா கண்டவேல் கண்ட குமாரவேல் கண்டா கண்டவேல் கண்ட குமாரவேல் கண்டா வேல் 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 முருகா வேல் 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 முருகா வேல் 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 ஆறுமுகா வேல் வேல் வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு. Krishna Krishna Govinda Narayanaya, Krishna Krishna Govinda Narayanaya, Krishna Krishna Govinda Narayanaya, Krishna भजोनारायण गोविंदा पंडरीनाथ विठ्ठल हरिनारायण जय नारायण गोविंदा पंडरीनाथ विठ्ठल हरिनारायण जय नारायण गोविंदा पांडुरंग 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 विठ्ठला पांडुरंग विठ्ठला पांडुरंग विठ्ठला पांडुरंग 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 विठ्ठले हरिनारायण जय नारायण गोविंदा पांडुरंग विठ्ठले हरिनारायण भजो नारायण गोविंदा गोविंद गोविंद गोपाल गोपाल गोविंद गोविंद गोपाल गोपाल गोविंद 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 गोविंद
Shabash, shabash. Right, Mr. Andri, we'll give Ravi Pillai a little bit of a Kit Kat break now, but I forgot to buy them chocolate. We're going to do a formality. I'll ask our Secretary, Jodi Mudli, to address you now. Let's give them a round of applause. The SSK members worked very hard to put this event together. What, she's feeling shy, she ran inside you, okay? No, okay.
Sound? Vanakkam, Namaste, Namaskaram, and Om Sai Ram, dear devotees, salutations to Lord Muruga and God in all forms. Together, today we gathered for our first Saturday of the Puratasi fast, and this is in tradition to honor Lord Venkateshwara. On behalf of Guru Samandan Sarugasa and the Management Committee of the Sivasubramani Koval, we warmly welcome you and your family to this afternoon's prayer. So first and foremost, in terms of acknowledgement, we want to acknowledge our dear Guru, Samandan Sarugasa, for conducting this afternoon's prayer. I want to ask you to please give Guru a hand, an applause. Thank you, Guru, for the great effort that went into preparations and planning of today's prayer session. You know, Guru called me last night, took me by surprise. I think we had a 45-minute call on the program just for the Govinda prayers today. So it was very, very, very well prepared, and I really had goosebump moments. Thank you, Guru. So, as you know, the next I want to acknowledge the fact that we did not have an external Obayar family, but once again, the temple members rallied around and together prepared and contributed to today's prayer. So let's give them a round of applause. We really appreciate every single one of you and all that you do, and may God in all forms bless you always. So on the subject of Obayams, you know, it's difficult to run this temple without people coming to our help. Okay, so we can't just do this all by ourselves, either in kind or in cash, but we require people to come forward to make their contribution. So in terms of the coming up prayers, so in upcoming prayers, we're looking for Obayas for 2 of the prayers for the Kanda Sasti and for the Abhishekam prayer in November. So if you are interested, spread the word, ask people to come and help the temple. It's your temple after all. We are not, we are trying to do our best to make this happen every month, but we need your help as well. So then moving along to today's musicians, all I can say is, wow, Mr. Ravi Pillai, it was such, and Mr. Singh Govinda and Praveen, who had absolutely enthralled us with your music this afternoon. It was absolutely divine, and the vibrations that you created here. If were not here in person, I really think you missed something awesome this afternoon. Thank you, Ravi Pillai. Well done. Next, we must remember those who are sick and not able to join us this afternoon. Our dear members, Auntie Kamla Picken, Auntie Gonam, whose hubby, Uncle Billy, is still not well. I mean, he's still very, very ill. So these people are really missed. They are our old and elderly people who we really revere, and we miss them when they're not here. There are others whom I may not have mentioned, but we do remember all of you who are not here this afternoon. The next prayer is on Tuesday, the 30th of September. The time is at 17:30, 5:30 in the afternoon. Please, I ask you to bring your neighbors, bring your friends, bring whoever you want to. This is an important event. It is a Saraswati prayer. Guru will be here. He will be writing the sacred inscriptions on the tongue. And you will be receiving the blessed strings. So I ask you to please make sure that function, you do try and make an effort to be here. And before I hand over to Dr. Yesantha Naidu, we just hope that you will have a good evening, and please stay and have supper after this prayer. I thank you and hand you over to Yesantha.
Vanakkam, Namaste, Namaskaram, and Om Sai Ram to one and all. Like Jodi said, there's a lack of our members coming to the temple. I am looking for youth members, besides my own 2 children, to give out discourses, but today I decided to do one myself. Members who can bring their kids to the temple, please do so and encourage them to come forward and talk in our youth movement. It really grows them, and it makes them better people, I think, in their lives going forward. So the month of Purtasi, which is middle of September to the middle of October, the period in which we pay special homage to God as the preserver. The Holy Trinity, as everyone knows, is made up of Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. The preserver is Vishnu. We should clear our minds, and there is only one God, but to the one God that is omnipotent, which is power to everything, omnipresent, which is present everywhere, and omniscient, he knows everything. In order to get the grace of God for our various needs in life, we invoke one God in many names. Thus, when we want God's grace for preservation, we use the name Vishnu. Preservation is a divine attribute that covers many aspects of our lives. For example, food. We need food to survive. So the latter we respect the preserver as the provider as well. Since God as Vishnu has provided us with various graces, we invoke Vishnu using the names Hari, Narayana, Govinda, Yem Perumal, Venkateswara, Krishna, Rama, Gopala, Nandalala, Kesava, and Rangananda, Nada. So the symbols that are associated with Lord Vishnu is known as the Sakaram, which is the wheel, and the conch, which is the Sangu. So the wheel or the discus can be viewed as a weapon for cutting. So this is the one that he holds in his hand that spins on his finger. So it's a circular blade or saw, and this is a symbol of grace of Lord Vishnu, which enables us to cut off all obstacles to the spiritual and material progress. As the wheel, you can see it as a wheel of fortune or wheel of spiritual and material progress. The conch is the product of the ocean, and that is the Sangu. Liashan was blowing it earlier. This can act as a constant reminder that Lord Vishnu represents the element of water. According to the mythology, the abode of Lord Vishnu is the ocean of milk. And this is where he rests on the celestial snake known as Adi Sarshan. And a lot of people or accounts claim that the snake has 5 heads, symbolically, which is the 5 elements, which act as the headrest of Lord Vishnu while he lies on this ocean. Lord Vishnu also in the Andhra community is very common, and he is known there as Venkata Chalapadi, Venkata Ramana, Tirumal, Vandaraja, Srinivasa, Balaji of Vaitala. Here he has his dark complexion with 4 hands. The 2 upper hands hold the discus or the conch, like I just explained, and the lower hands that he extends to his devotees to have faith and to surrender to him. Going back to Patasi, we want to preserve our present state while we strive for progress. To attain progress, we need to think, plan, and act. To act and to plan, to have a clearer mind as well. To calm and clear our minds, we must exercise mental discipline. And discipline we can apply to our whole lifestyle, which is including the foods we eat. So, the food we eat, the food we eat affects our minds. So, food is classified as sattvic, rajasic, and tamasic. The seers and saints have discovered that sattvic foods are good to have a calm state of mind. The sattvic foods are fruit and vegetables. So we need to, for personal discipline, is the main reason why we abstain from meat, fish, and other foods, alcoholic drinks also during the month of Purtasi. The discipline exercised in keeping away from the other 2, which is the tamasic and the rajasic foods, it will help us think, plan, and act, be calm and collected in this manner during this month. If we do all of this, to the best of our abilities, the grace of God as the preserver, which is Vishnu, is bound to help us. God helps those who helps themselves. It's a very apt saying. So blow the conch and chant, Govinda, Govinda, Govinda. And let us all, with the power of the sacred name, not only protect us from evil, but inspire us to progress and prosper in life. May we all receive the grace of Lord Govinda. Govinda, Govinda, Govinda. Thank you.
Mika Nandri, Yasanta and Jodi for the program. And I also want to compliment Jodi. She's paid compliments to me. At very short notice, she rallied around. That's woman power, okay? They can multi-skill, they can skill at a short time, right? And they also say, there's no fury like a woman scorned, okay? So don't take your chances. Rot, there's no fury like a woman scorned. Thank you, Mika Nandri Jodi, and to Lena, Yasanta, and all of you. I see the books are all lined up there, piled up. Very nice, because these mustn't become collector's items. They're not to stay in the exhibition center and collect dust. You might read through them. I mean, you look at how much of information Yasanta shared with us, and there is all our Periyar's hard work, labor of love that he's put this together, and we really appreciate, and we are gifted to have him in our midst. Let's give him another round of applause. And to Jodi and the ladies for their contributions this afternoon. And with that, I'm going to ask Ravi to do 2 more bhajans. Is that okay, Ravi? 2 more bhajans. Then he will do both the Narayana Mangalam and the Nadavindu Mangalam. We'll conclude, and like Jodi said, please stay for supper, join us. And also remember our next prayer, Saraswati prayer, 30th of September. Come through with your books. Tell your children, please pass the message. I'll bless the books. I'll write Saraswati Acharam on their tongue, and you will also be blessed here by joining us for the 30th, same at 5:30. With that, over to Ravi while I bless this one tray inside. Oh, 2 kg.
ರಾಮ 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 ಸೀತಾ ರಾಮ ರಾಘವ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ನೀವೇ ನಂಬಿದೆ ತೆಚ ಪೋವಯ್ಯ ರಾಮ 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 ಸೀತಾ ರಾಮ ರಾಘವ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ನೀವೇ ನಂಬಿದೆ ತೆಚ ಪೋವಯ್ಯ ಮುಂಡಗಾರನಿಗಾಟಿನ ವೈರವಯ್ಯ
Nada
us.
For Srimad Narayanamurti and then for Muruga, which Ravi will do for us. And members of SSK, would the Davyam come through, Monty?
Sangru chakra dharanak sadalona lolanek Sangru chakra dharanak sadajana lolanek Denmalane kammanek devigi balanek Denmalane kandanek devigi balanek Mangalam Shubha Mangalam Nitya Jaya Mangalam Shubha Mangalam Govinda Nama Sangitanum Govinda Govinda Nada Bindu Kaladi Namo Nama Veda Manda Swarupa Namo Nama Yana Pandita Sami Namo Nama Vegu Kodi Namo Nama Namo 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 Nama Namo Nama Namo Nama Namo Nama Nama Sambho Kumara Namo Nama Bhoga Andari Bala Namo Nama Naga Pannama Namo Nama Parasura Namo Sita Danda Vinoda
Namo Nama
Kini Pada Namo Nama Ira Samrama Tira Namo Nama Ira Namo Nama Namo Nama Namo Nama Namo Nama
வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு
அரோகரா
வீரவேல் முருகனுக்கு
அரோகரா
கந்தவேல் முருகனுக்கு
அரோகரா
ஓம் நம சிவாய 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 நாடுடைய சிவனே போற்றி எந்நாட்டு வர்க்கம் இறைவா போற்றி. 10 is south, like south Shiva is the deity, to the rest of the world God is the deity. Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om Shakti. Page 31, Kallapriyam. Kallapriyam, Karudapriyam, Kasundurge, Nillapriyam, Ninayapriyam, Ninnaindurte, Sollapriyam, Tudiyapriyam, Torapriyam, Yellapriyam Purtalvai, Garatchegamane, Amede, Amede, Amedi. Om Savatar Satramalam. எல்லா உயிர்களும் இன்புற்றிருக்க நினைப்பதுவே அல்லாமல் வேறொன்றும் அறியோம் பராபரனே. அன்பே சிவம், சிவமே அன்பு. அன்பே சிவம், கம்பிபல். அன்பே சிவம், சிவமே அன்பு. அன்பே சிவம், சிவமே அன்பு. ஓம் சபாத். Let's bless the food and the sustenance and the padaiyal that we have. ஓம் இறைவா எங்கள் உணவுக்கு நன்றி. Means, oh God, thank you for the food. எங்கள் உடல் சக்திக்கு நன்றி. Oh God, thank you for the strength that comes from the food. எங்களுக்கு நோயற்ற வாழ்வும், give us good health, குறைவற்ற செல்வமும் தருவாயாக. Keep our fires burning, keep the food on the table, keep us on the job. இன்று உணவை தயாரித்த கரங்களுக்கு நன்றி, நன்றி, நன்றி. ஓம் அம்மை அப்பனே துணை, துணை, துணை. ஓம் சிவா சாந்தி. ஓம் சாந்தி, சாந்தி, சாந்தியே நமக. மிக்க நன்றி. God bless you.